press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of POPxo Look Like a Star, and today I'll be recreating this simple yet bold look done by Hina Khan. It's very easy to do and very fast, and this look I feel is suitable for any occasion, be it day or night. So stay tuned. So that was it for the look, guys. Let us know if you enjoyed it in the comment section below. And because you love POPxo and our content so much, we have a surprise for you. Join the MyGlamxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlam products when you buy from the app or the website. The link to join is down in the description below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.